Today I'm going to share with you all my recipe for a really simple tamarind chutney. You can use this Diwali. So to make this, I'm using the sour tamarind or tamarind. There are two types. There's a sweet type and then there's the sour one we get from Trinidad. Now I got this at Food Town. If you're out here in Florida, you can find it at Food Town in the produce section. So you want to crack the shell or that hard outer layer and place your tamarind into a bowl. Once you've finished cleaning the tamarind, you want to cut it up into smaller pieces. Next, add some hot water to this and allow it to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. We want that pulp to soften. Next, place the pulp into a pot. And this goes onto your stove. I'm going in with some salt to taste, some brown sugar, and you can put as much or as little as you want, some green seasoning, some hot peppers, and I'm using bird peppers for this, and some amchar masala. You just want to allow this to simmer until it's nice and thick. That pulp is going to thicken up this sauce. Now you can make this as thin or as thick as you want, but this took 15 minutes to boil, so you want to cook it to the consistency you would like your tamarind sauce. Once it gets to that consistency, it is now ready to be served. Make sure and taste and adjust sugar and salt, and then serve this with your favorite Indian delicacies. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did and you like what you see on my channel, I hope you remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys another day with another one of my recipes. Bye!